Hello everyone, welcome to Prompt with Pal. As organization embrace Copilot, one key question keeps coming up. How do we make sure our content is actually ready for AI? Because the intelligence of any Copilot depends on the structure, quality and freshness of the content it's grounded on. That's exactly what Knowledge Agent in SharePoint is designed for. For a site owner, it ensures site health, finding broken links, flagging outdated pages and recommending fixes. For a content creator, it organizes the files, enriches the metadata, and helps create meaningful view using simple natural language. And finally, for the knowledge managers or IT lead, it acts as a foundation for governance, ensuring that the enterprise knowledge stays accurate, consistent, and AI ready. Knowledge Agent is now in public preview and quietly redefining how organizations manage knowledge, turning everyday content into a structured intelligence that fuel Copilot and agent across Microsoft 365. Let's see it in action. As organizations grow, so does their content, and with it, the challenge of keeping everything organized and meaningful. AI experiences like Microsoft Copilot depends on one crucial element, the quality and the structure of the content they are grounded on. Here's where the knowledge agent plays a role. Built into SharePoint, it shifts focus from just storing the files into making the content AI ready, enriching, organizing, and maintaining it. For example, it enables auto metadata suggestion, intelligent views, site hygiene task that keeps your content current and trustworthy. So here I select organize this library and the agent analyzes the existing files, proposes the metadata columns like product, department, material type like you can see here. These autofill columns mean less manual tagging. Metadata becomes structured, discoverable and grounded. That matters because when AI sees tags and categories, it can reason more reliably than when facing a raw file text only. Next, I set a rule. Whenever a file from Java core fiber is added, send me an email. With Knowledge Agent, you don't just organize, you automate. Using a natural language prompt, you build a workflow, example notify me, archive the older version, group by department. That frees you from a constant manual oversight. So now let's move on. Now I ask, show me files from Java core fiber grouped by department with metadata in place. The agent instantly structures the view. This kind of filtering, grouping, and sorting is what converts a library from a static to dynamic. AI benefits because it has labeled, categorized the content to pull from. So here I move to Teams and I see that David, our regional sales manager, raises a supply chain issue, which is graphite mesh core material. Rather than forwarding or digging manually, I stay within SharePoint and prompt the agent. I ask, list all the Java products that could be impacted by graphite mesh delays. The agent looks across the tag content, metadata, relationship, and returns relevant products grounded in our own documentation. That enables quick and trusted decision. Keeping your knowledge site healthy is key. I invoke improve the site and the agent flags inactive pages, broken links, and content pages. This means that your intranet remain current and reliable, so Copilot and agent built on that content deliver trustworthy answers, not stale or misleading ones. The agent recommends next step. It's seen usage patterns and search behavior and suggests a dedicated page for Java collaboration. This shows how Knowledge Agent looks beyond what exists and help fill what's missing, reducing the blind spot in your knowledge environment. Finally, I build the launch announcement page and I choose to create with AI. I can select a template or describe what I need, just like the way I am doing here, and upload a supporting document that would give more context to the agent, and the agent drafts the page sections and visuals and contents, and this capability turns page authoring into a co-creation. You supply the context, agent helps build the structure, all grounded in how your content is already organized. So now once I have this beautiful page up, All I need to do is I just want to click on the sparkle icon, select a recommended selection, example, FAQ about a Java core fiber, make minor edits, and then just publish. What once took days for collaboration across marketing, design, and content now completes in minutes because the content is structured, tagged, and agent ready. And in moments, you can see that the library has moved from unstructured to structured, the site is maintained, the page is live, and our knowledge is AI ready. The result, Copilot and other agents can ground their responses on organized, trustworthy content, not just generic data. So the path of a smarter AI always begins with a smarter content. So Knowledge Agent makes that possible by transforming SharePoint from a content repository into a continuously improving knowledge ecosystem, one that stays organized, accurate, and ready for AI to learn from. Whether you're a site owner or a content manager, or someone simply looking to make the Copilot work smarter for you and your organization, this is a powerful step forward. So thank you for joining in today's episode. I hope it gave you new ideas on how to prepare your organization's knowledge for the AI era. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep making your content work smarter for you. Thank you.